If you're looking to add some wow, and I mean some amazing wow, to your Instagram, Facebook, or other social media feeds, or even your YouTube channel, then you need to find out more about the Efekt app, available now on iOS. Now, before I show you how it works, let me show you a little something I made with it. Prepare to have your mind blown. Hi, I'm Saab Johal and welcome to my channel, which is all about mobile and 360 video and photography and how to edit for great results. And in this video, I'm going to show you the Efekt app and why I think there's nothing quite like it for amazing video effects that will really make your content pop. Oh, and while you're watching, make sure you tell me in the comments what your favorite effect was when you watched that short dance sequence beforehand. I'm really interested to know what you liked and why. Okay, let's get into it. This is a really simple to use app which you can use when you're live shooting with your camera, so you can actually apply the effect to live footage as you capture it on the fly and record it. Wait, let's just pause for a minute there. I think that's amazing. And you can also apply it to videos you have recorded or imported into your photo gallery. Now, there's no manual to speak of. You just select the effects from the top swipe bar and you have various different settings to change the effect that you can experiment with. And it really is something that you're going to need to experiment with and change as live as you press the record button as you apply the effects on either your live capture or previously recorded video footage. You can then apply an effect again on top of the video effects that you've just recorded and saved to your gallery. And you can go through several loops of this if you want to. But each time you do, the compression effects that happen when rendering and saving will mean some quality loss. So you probably wouldn't want to apply maybe 2 effects or perhaps 3 effects on top of each other. Another fantastic feature is that you can activate the sound sensitive feature and the effects applied react and respond to the sound, either in the environment that you're live recording in or in the video footage that you're working with. Now, for a mobile app, I really don't know anything else that does anything like this. It's a mind-blowing feature in this app. But of course, if you know of any app that does something similar, you'll let me know in the comments, won't you? Now, some tips for shooting that I've experienced when using this app include holding the camera as still as possible. And if you're capturing landscapes and want to apply some fine effects like the dust effect, you might even want to use a tripod for extra steadiness. Now, one downside at the moment to this app is that the videos are rendered out in just 720p. But I have talked with the developer and they said that they plan to increase that to 1080p for phones that are capable of doing that. So that's really good news. Oh, and I should probably mention that I was not compensated in any way for this review other than getting full access to the app to get to review this product in full. So you can be confident that all the opinions expressed are mine alone. Now, in summary, all in all, I think this is a phenomenal, brilliant app. I absolutely love it, and I look forward to all kinds of experimentation with it. If you're looking to spice up your Instagram feed or Facebook or Instagram stories, this app could really set you apart. But like most things, you probably don't want to go over the top and use the effects sparingly and well. But what do I know? That's just my opinion. It's available for a free download on the iOS App Store where you can use some of the effects, but to unlock the full app, you can get the full range of features and remove the watermark. It'll cost you $14.99 in the New Zealand App Store, which I guess will mean the equivalent of around $10 US wherever you are. And as far as I know, it's only available on iOS right now. Hey, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have found it useful, please consider giving it a like and consider subscribing too. I'd love to see you back here again soon. Here's some other videos of mine that you might find interesting or useful. Please take a look around, and thanks for watching. Cheers.